Hello, today நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா data preprocessing. First of all, what is data preprocessing? Data preprocessing is nothing but to clean and prepare a master data before training any model. That's the data preprocessing. Okay, first, you have to read the dataset, whether you have a JSON, CSV, or Excel, any data. First, you have to read and check the number of rows and columns. Once you checked, perform some basic stat operations like finding duplicates, handling missing values. We have a lot of techniques to handle missing values, replacing missing values, and also we can use model to replace the missing values. Okay, and also we can do some other stats technique like finding the mean, median, mode, and the percentile, all the thing we can check using the describe function in pandas. Once that is done, we have to do EDA analysis. Why we are doing EDA analysis? EDA is nothing but exploratory data analysis. We are doing that to understand more insights about the data. Okay, once and also we can find and remove the outliers using box plot. We can find that one, and there are a lot of plots like pie chart, bar chart, and this plot, all the plots are available. We have to check and see how the data are distributed. So we have to find the patterns, right? Once you find the pattern, then only we can see is there any variables or we need to do or feature engineering based on the historical data. If something that we need to predict or that some new feature we need to create for prediction, that also we can create using feature engineering based on the past data. Okay, once that is done, we can do feature scaling or normalization. Why we are doing that one? So here, let's say for example, you have a price data. Okay, in that price, the range will be vary, right? From one digit to it will be gone any digit, right? So model, if you are giving that to model get confused. So for that reason, we are doing the feature scaling. If you are doing that, it will convert that different range scales to one unit. Like for example, -1 to 1 or 0 to 1. Okay, that future scaling we need to do before training any model. Okay, these are the technique for handling the data preprocessing. Okay.